This is a strengthening question and we have to find support for the conclusion. The conclusion is that introducing large quantities of toxin in the food chains of this hornet will make it possible to save the flowering plants. The missing link is between the toxin rendering the hornet sterile and the conclusion that the introduction of the toxin in the food chain of the hornet will save the plants. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should strengthen this conclusion. Answer choice A. The argument is concerned with the Asian giant hornet and flowering plants. The passage makes no suggestion regarding other types of hornets that are benign, that means harmless. So this answer choice, which talks about the possibility of the toxin sterilizing harmless species of hornets, is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that the toxin in food chain will not sterilize the bees. The argument mentions that the flowering plants rely on bees for pollination. So it can be inferred that the health of flowering plants depends on the good health of bees. This answer choice indicates that there is no possibility of the toxin causing any harm to the bees and hence strengthens the conclusion that the addition of the toxin will have a positive effect on flowering plants. So this way, this answer choice strengthens the conclusion. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The argument talks about identifying a particular toxin and the effect of introducing this toxin in the food chain. This answer choice, on the other hand, talks about other toxins that are present in the food chain. So this information, which talks about the number of other toxins, is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that animals that feed on flowering plants would avoid areas that are infested by hornets. If this is so, it indicates that when there are hornets present in the area, there would not be any other animals that harm these plants. However, this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding what happens when toxins are introduced in the food chain of these hornets and whether, as a result, the flowering plants would be saved. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. This answer choice talks about the amount of toxins naturally present in regions. However, the argument is concerned with introducing large quantities of a particular toxin. So this answer choice simply provides additional information and makes no suggestion regarding what happens when a particular type of toxin is introduced in the food chain. In other words, this answer choice is just additional information and has no bearing on the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.